guys, welcome back to crafts. So today we are going to be making hot air balloons. So what we're going to need: pieces of construction paper. If you don't have multiple colors, we can just color them in. That's a-okay. You're going to need some coloring utensils. You can be markers, pencil crayons, whatever you have at home. We're going to need our handy dandy scissors, which we have to be super careful with. And we are going to need some stickers just because we always love stickers. And we'll need some glue. Now, if you don't have liquid glue, you can use glue stick. And if you don't have a glue stick, you can use liquid glue. Either one works. They're perfectly fine. I'm using liquid glue today, but that's just because I don't have a glue stick. Okay, so to start, we're going to pick one of our construction pieces of paper, and we're going to decide which one's going to be our background. So I want my blue to be my background because that's where I'm going to put all my hot air balloons and stuff. I want it to look like a sky, but you can do whatever color you want. And if at any point in this video I'm going too fast for you or I'm too quick, you can just pause the video or you can watch it through and watch it again after. So we're going to pick our piece, and then we are going to take our other piece of construction paper. So I'm using 2, you can use 3, you can use 1, it just depends on how many colors you want your air balloon. So I want my hot air balloon to be 2 colors, so I'm just going to use 2. So I'm going to take my first color, I'm going to take a marker or a pencil or whatever you want, and we're going to make a heart shape like this, but at the bottom, instead of connecting the 2 ends, we're going to make a little rectangle. So I'll show you exactly what I mean after I draw it. So I want it to look like this. It's okay if it's not perfect. As you can see, mine's a little off, but you want it to look like a heart and a little line connecting at the bottom. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take our handy dandy scissors and we're going to cut that out, because this is going to become our stencil for the other ones. So you just want to cut around your line like so, being super duper careful, making sure we're watching where the scissors are going, watching where our hands are, and that we're not cutting ourselves. Okay? Now once you have your handy dandy stencil like this, you're going to trace it. So you're going to take your stencil, you're going to take your marker, or your pencil, or your crayon, or whatever, and you're going to just trace the outline of it like this. So then this way you have an identical shape. Coach Evelyn got a little marker on her hands. She's a little messy. So, see, you have an identical copy. So I wanted 2 of that color, so that's why I used that color. And now we are going to trace it on our other color. So take your stencil and just trace it. Keep tracing it like so. Awesome. So then you have this, and now you're going to go ahead and cut those on out. So take our handy dandy scissors, and we're going to be super careful again. And we just got to cut out that little heart. Like so. And we're going to cut it out again. So now, oopsies, now we have 3. So I've got my 3 colors. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our first sheet of paper, if you remember. We're going to take one of our colors, whichever color you want, and we're going to put some glue on it. All on it like this. I put mine in a little shape of a heart. You can do whatever you want, like that. And you're just going to stick it on your paper wherever you want your hot air balloon to be. So I want mine right in the middle. So I stuck it in the middle, and it's okay if your hands get a little gluey and messy if you're using liquid glue, like I did. I got mine a little messy. Now, we're going to take our second shape, and we're going to bend it in half. Can you fold it in half with me? Like so. We'll crease the edges a bit. And we're going to take glue, and we're going to just glue this line that we just made. So we're going to take our glue, going to put it down the line like this, like that. And you're just going to stick that on your page, like so. So now it's going to look like this. Whoops. It's gonna look like this, and the edges can fold up a bit. So it's gonna look like that. See how the edges are a little folded up? We're gonna do that exact same step with our last one. So you're gonna fold it. Fold, 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 pinch the creases, and we're going to put our glue on that line like that again. And you're just gonna push that line down into the middle of that. Now, our flaps, so it's gonna look like this. As you can see, our little lines are out. Now our flaps, we wanna glue them together too. So you're gonna take your glue and you're gonna glue the back of the top flap. So like this, and you're gonna pinch it together with the orange one. Pinch, pinch, pinch. So it's gonna look like that, see? And you're gonna repeat the same step on the other side. So glue the back of your top flap and glue it together with the second flap. Pinch, pinch, pinch. So now your hot air balloon is sticking off of your page. Super cool, right? So now you're going to take one of your colors again. I'm going to use my orange. And you're going to draw a little rectangle, okay? Or square, whichever you prefer, like that. And we're going to cut it out. This is going to be the base of our hot air balloon. Okay? Now we're going to glue that just below our balloons. We're going to take our glue stick or our liquid glue. We're going to put it on the back. And we're going to stick it to the bottom like so. So it looks like that. Now we're going to take our handy dandy markers or pencil crayons, whatever you have, and you're going to connect it. So you're going to draw a little line between here and here. And do that for both sides. So now your balloon's connected to your basket. So from now you can just decorate your entire page. I'm going to use some stickers to decorate my page, and you can do whatever you want. You can color, add some stickers. I'm going to add a little blue for a cloud like this. But you can obviously decorate it much more. I'm really excited for you to show us your crafts when you're done in our next virtual class. And I will see you guys later. Stay active, stay creative. I miss you guys so much. Bye.